When talking about birds, the first thing that comes to our mind is the ability to fly. But you should know that there are some birds which cannot fly. These flightless birds run on the ground or swim underwater. They don't fly because either they are too big, such as the ostrich, or maybe they don't need to, such as penguins. Inaccessible island rail is the smallest bird that cannot fly, while ostrich is the biggest of them. Currently, there are about 60 extant species of flightless birds in the world. If you watch our videos regularly, you know how much we love our birds. Among these birds, some are famous and well known for their breathtaking beauty. Want to know more about them? Let's discuss the top 10 most beautiful flightless birds in the world. 10. Takahe. The Takahe is a cute flightless bird and is the largest member of rail family. They are famous as the bird that came back from the dead. The first Takahe was discovered in 1847, and in 1951, there were only 2 identified sightings of Takahe. But later, it was considered extinct until an Invercargill GP filmed birds in Fiordland in 1948. Its weight is 2.7 kilograms and length is 63 centimeters. This beautiful bird has strong and short legs with dark blue neck, head, and underside. Takahe is a noisy bird. The female lays 3 eggs, and the survival rate of its chicks is 73% to 97%. 9. Cassowary. The cassowary is an alluring flightless bird that is found in tropical forests of New Guinea. This lovely bird is omnivorous, but sometimes also feeds on fruits. They are shy birds that are brightly colored. Cassowary has sharp claws and is a 3-toed bird. It is a good swimmer and can run at a rate of 50 kilometers an hour. This stunning bird is solitary, except during egg laying and courtship. Male bird defends its territory for his mate and himself. Female cassowary lays 8 green-blue eggs and does not take care of it. Its diet includes fish, birds, snails, fungi, flowers, and rats. 8. Inaccessible island rail. The inaccessible island rail is a heavenly beautiful flightless bird. It has black feet and bill, brown plumage, red eyes, and its head is dark gray. They feed on a variety of small invertebrates and plant matter. These pretty birds have small and weak wings, however. Their call is loud. These birds feed on flies, beetles, caterpillars, mites, earthworms, and isopods. This bird is monogamous and lays 2 grayish eggs. It is the smallest living flightless bird in the world. These delightful birds make domed, pear or oval-shaped nests from grass clumps, tussock grass, and ferns. 7. Tasmanian native hen. The Tasmanian native hen is a magnificent flightless bird that is found in the Australian island of Tasmania. It has olive-brown underparts, bluish-gray tinge, and bright red eyes. They have powerful and thick legs with sharp claws. It is believed that about 4,700 years ago, this bird was found in Australia. These smashing birds live in a group of 2 to 5 birds. Tasmanian native hen can make 14 types of different calls. Some are high-pitched, while others are low-pitched. Its diet includes leaves of low herbs and grass shoots. 6. Flightless streamer duck. The flightless streamer duck is a graceful bird that exists in South America. It is one of the largest streamer duck species. This bird cannot fly because of its small and weak wings. Males have pale forehead and crown and blue-gray neck and head. Female has dark red throat and gray-brown head. At the age of 2 to 3 years, these gorgeous birds become sexually mature. They feed on small fish, mollusks, crustaceans, snails, and insects. During mating season, male birds become very aggressive. Gulls, foxes, and giant petrels are the predators of its eggs and juveniles. 5. Flightless cormorant. The flightless cormorant is a pretty bird and has lost its ability to fly. It has sturdy legs and webbed feet. This attractive bird resembles duck, except for their stubby short wings. They have brown underparts and blackish upperparts. Its feathers are softer, thicker, denser, and hair-like. These lovely birds lay 3 whitish eggs. It is one of the world's rarest flightless birds. The weight of cormorant is 2.5 to 5 kilograms, and its length is 35 to 40 inches. This bird makes its nest in the coldest months, July to October. 4. South American gravies. Gravies are small to medium-sized aquatic birds. They are mostly found in fresh water. However, some species exist in marine habitats. These stunning birds are fantastic divers and swimmers. Due to the unusual position of their feet, they usually fell down when running for some distance. They cannot fly because of their narrow-sized wings and are thus flightless. When in danger, these alluring birds adapt diving instead of flying. Almost all species of gravies are migratory. South American gravy swims in the water with the head and neck out of the water. The plumage of these birds is waterproof and dense. Considering their anatomy, they are a distinctive group of birds. 3. King penguin. King penguin is a beautiful flightless bird. In appearance, these delightful birds are similar to the emperor penguin but smaller in size. King penguin is the second largest after emperor penguin species of penguin. They mostly feed on squid, lanternfish, and krill. These beautiful birds dive to over 300 feet and are seen at depths more than 1,000 feet. They are found on the subantarctic islands at the northern reaches of Antarctica, South Georgia, and other temperate islands of the region. King penguin weighs 18 kilograms and is about 100 centimeters tall. They swim at a rate of 6.5 to 10 kilometers an hour. 2. Kiwi. Kiwis are the smallest living ratites native to New Zealand. These appealing birds are about the size of a domestic chicken. Scientific study reveals that they are more closely related to the extinct Malagasy elephant birds rather than New Zealand's moa. Kiwi has 5 subspecies. 4 of them are declared vulnerable, and 1 is near threatened. All the species are greatly affected by deforestation and the careless behavior of humans. Concerning the body size, Kiwi's egg is one of the biggest eggs of the birds. This gorgeous flightless bird is found in New Zealand, and it is recognized as their icon. That is why New Zealanders are also known as Kiwis. On 4 Evergreen channel, we have a lot of amazing videos on beautiful birds and animals. So don't forget to check them out and subscribe to 4 Evergreen. 1. Kakapo. Kakapo belongs to a species of large, nocturnal, and flightless parrots native to New Zealand. This pretty bird is also known as the owl parrot. It is the only flightless parrot in the world. Kakapo is also the heaviest parrot and has a low metabolic rate. These charming birds are hunted by the people for its meat and, more importantly, for its feathers, which are used for making high-quality pieces of clothing. Adults are about 58 to 64 centimeters in length and weigh from 0.95 to 4 kilograms. Males are generally larger than females. Their sense of smell is very strong and developed, which helps in their nocturnal lifestyle.